Just learned about the recurrence relation in binary search. So in binary search, every time you divide the array in half for searching the element, we basically do it by taking the first element, first index and last index, and dividing it by 2. Adding those index, first index and second index, we add them and divide it by 2, which gives us the middle index in the array. If it's odd, it actually gives the middle element, but if it's not odd, it's even, then it gives the n by 2 n by minus 1 by 2th element actually, where n represents the size of array. So recurrence relation for binary search is t of n equals t of n by 2 minus 1, where n is size of array. As every time, as every iteration goes, as we call function again and again recursively, we divide the array in half. The concept behind binary search is, let's just say we have an element in an array. Okay, so we compare the element with every time we compare the element every time with the middle element, which we found by dividing first index and last index. We check the element at middle element, we check the value which is stored at middle index, and the value which is the target value. If the target value is bigger, it is going to lie on the right side, because we apply this binary search operation on only sorted arrays, and in this case we are considering a ascendingly sorted array, or we can say non-decreasing order sorted array. So let's just say if the element is 3 which we are searching for, and the middle value is 2, middle element is 2, the index value, the mid element at middle index is 2, then it is going to lie on the right side, which is obvious. And if the element is smaller, then it is going to lie on the left side. So as after first iteration, we'll know if it is going to lie on the it is going to lie on the left side or right side of the middle element. If the case lies on the if the element lies on the right side, then we will uh, change the index of start the element which was the pointer which was pointing to start element to middle plus 1, as middle element is not the element and it is going to land on the right side because it is bigger than the middle element. So we will change it to middle plus 1. Now start element is posing pointing at middle plus 1th element, and end index is pointing at the same element. And if if this case is running, in these cases running, and there is a point where we find middle element is bigger than the actual target element, then we will decrease the end, then we will move the end pointer to middle minus 1 element, because it is going to obviously lie on the left side of the middle element. This way we are going to short the array, we are going to make the array shorter and shorter after every iteration by n by 2. We add constant plus c in the recurrence relation for a bind search, because it is a norm. I don't know, I think I should read it.